Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Muhammad Ali Munshi and you are watching One Take. Well, this has to be our hottest episode yet, and why not? Because sitting right next to me is someone who's known to get temperature soaring high with his sizzling presence. One jhalak and the screen is on fire. Please get up for the sensational Mathira.
Hi, how are you?
How are you, Mathira?
I'm fine, you
Welcome to the
tell.
show.
और आपने इतना प्यारा सा इंट्रोडक्शन कर दिया, आग लगा देती हूँ, आग लगा देती हूँ।
Okay, thank you so
मुझे
much.
समझ में नहीं आता मैं कहाँ आग लगाती हूँ।
Well-
और अगर आग लगती है तो वो आग बुझती कहाँ है,
Well,
वो भी
we
नहीं
have to
पता।
find that out during the course of the interview, obviously.
Okay.
So, Mathira, I have to ask you something, and you have to be really honest when you answer that.
Okay.
This entire image that you have, this sex symbol, ये बिंदास, blunt, bold बंदी का, was it something you planned कि when you joined the industry कि मैं ऐसे image को project करूँगी? Was it who you are as a person? या कहीं ना कहीं you thought कि this is working for me, so why not just play along?
To be honest, I grew up in a mahol where there's nothing called bold and bindas and there's nothing like that. It's what you call being honest and speak what's in your heart. So जो दिल में है वो ज़बान पर ले आओ, hypocrite नहीं बनो. So that's what I think. And इस तरह का माहौल था. हम like जिस तरह यहाँ sex is taboo, you know, abroad sex is not taboo. तो जब मैं यहाँ आई, I was just like okay, I used to speak whatever I wanted to, and I never change for people. अगर मैं change करूँगी भी तो खुद के लिए करूँगी, किसी के ज़ोर ज़बरदस्ती में नहीं करती.
Okay, talking about people talking about issues, you know, you did this ad for George, ठीक है? और उस condom की ad थी, तो उसके ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा, you know, people, बहुत सी एक discussion हो रहा था.
हाँ.
Do you feel that ad was ahead of its time?
क्या है मतलब मुझे ये बताओ, औरतों को नहीं पता what's a condom? क्या उनका हक नहीं है पता होना? मतलब come on man, even if you're going to look this, you know, sex is for both parties, okay, it's not only for men. And family planning बहुत ही strong message होता है, and हर औरत को family planning होनी चाहिए क्योंकि दिमाग I believe मियाँ बीवी एक दूसरे के लिए competitor नहीं होते लेकिन एक दूसरे के सहारे होते हैं, ठीक है? तो yes, in that way both, अगर एक के पास वो mindset नहीं है education का तो दूसरे एक औरत हर चीज़ को adapt कर सकती है, मर्द हर चीज़ को कभी कभी ego पर ले जा सकता है. So ये family planning और ये सारी चीज़ एक औरत के हाथ में होती है. मैं ये believe करती हूँ, अगर एक औरत को conceive करना है, she will conceive a baby. If she wants to give a break, वो ब्रेक दे सकती है और हम औरतों को ब्रेक देना चाहिए हमारे हेल्थ के लिए, हमारी फैमिली और बच्चों के लिए भी.
On that note, we'll play a game. It's called I Have and I Have Never. So I'll ask some questions. तो
Okay.
आपको बताने की
ये बड़ा खतरनाक है. जिस तरह दुपट्टा है ना, जैसे हमें डर like oh my god.
So okay, so you have to be honest, ठीक है?
Okay.
Okay, never have I ever taken a nude photo of myself. I have. Okay. Never have I ever.
Many times.
Would we like to see them?
Oh no.
Obviously, show बंद हो जाएगा हमारा.
नहीं शो बंद की बात नहीं है. It's for you know a couple,
definitely.
modern days couple.
Exactly. Okay, never have I ever wished ill for someone's project. You've never done that.
Because I know कितना इंसान दिल में रखता है, वो एक होप होती है और हर बंदा, मैं बोलती हूँ हम मीडिया वाले भी हमारे पैसे दरख्त पर नहीं उगते हैं, हम भी बड़ी कोशिश करते हैं कुछ बनाने के लिए. तो आई नेवर विश किसी के प्रोजेक्ट के लिए.
Never have I ever dated a co-star, made out, dated or whatever. Never. कोई हॉट नहीं लगा मथीरा को. Okay.
हॉट है, डेट नहीं मारी.
Okay, अच्छा.
लिमिट क्रॉस नहीं
कौन
की.
है? If you might know, like somebody you find hot in the industry.
In the industry,
Yeah.
I will start off with my husband. I think he's hot.
Oh, both
Darling,
are
you're
very,
hot.
obviously.
And then Humayun.
Okay.
Oh my God, Turkana, help me. That was like out of the box, man.
Okay. Never have I ever flirted with a fan. Never. Okay.
I call fans bacha.
अच्छा.
हाँ. And I used to take pictures with solo लोग, लेकिन अब नहीं लेती, बस family होती है तब मैं picture लेकर भाग जाती हूँ.
Okay. Never have I ever fought with my co-star. ये बता दें कौन है?
I had. नहीं, मैं लड़ाई नहीं करती. मैं जब मेरी एक आदत है, जब मैं चल रही हूँ ना तो थोड़ी एक दो गालियाँ वालियाँ दे देती हूँ और टूट कर दे देती हूँ. दैट्स चिल मी. लेकिन गुस्से वाला मैं होंगी, आप मेरी बात सुने. दैट्स दैट टाइम.
We want to see that side.
Yeah, you won't. But I never did बदतमीजी. But कभी मैं स्क्रिप्ट में मेरे मसले होते तो लोग चर्चा कर देते, उसकी वजह से शुरू हो जाती है.
Never have I ever had phone sex. Modern.
क्या करूँ? It's like सच बोलो झूठ बोलो. You understood.
We got an answer. Okay. Never have ever done a project just for money.
I have.
Is that blind luck?
था.
अच्छा. और तुम ही हो?
Oh, तुम ही हो. I don't know where is it gone.
अच्छा. Okay. Never have ever done something just for publicity. एक के हाथ में अच्छी publicity मिल जाएगी, PR अच्छी हो जाएगी.
I have done that.
Okay. Never have ever praised a film I hated. Really? कभी झूठ नहीं बोला प्रेमियर पे जाके फिल्म बकवास लगी हो?
नहीं, मैं प्रीमियर्स पर बहुत कम जाती हूँ किसी, मैं ज़्यादा निकलती नहीं हूँ, लेकिन अगर जाती हूँ तो पूरा देख कर आती हूँ और जो होता है वो बोल कर आती हूँ. आई कांट बी ओह इट वाज वेरी नाइस व्हाट द फक, नॉट दैट.
Okay, never have ever videotaped myself having, intercourse or sex. अच्छा, okay. We have Mathira speaks like that's something.
Like, excuse me, एक मिनट, हेलो बता दूँ.
Okay, we'll let that pass. Okay, that's never have ever said I love you and not meant it. Yeah. The fourth thing or?
हाँ? नहीं, बहुत दफ़ा गुस्सा भी होता है और I really feel like hating the hell out of him, but then I'm like हाँ I love you करके निकल जाती हूँ.
Okay, perfect. So Mathira, pretty interesting round of never have ever. So Mathira, when you came in the industry, एक रूम पर जो भी बातें सुनने को मिलती हैं कि इंडस्ट्री में बहुत गंद है, कास्टिंग काउच लिस्ट करता है, the girls have to make their way to the bedroom before to get in the industry. कभी कोई इस तरह कुछ हुआ था कि somebody?
I came in this industry by mistake.
By mistake? How?
By mistake. Actually ये हुआ था that I was new in Pakistan, like 3-4 महीने ही थे, and मेरे एक दोस्त का चैनल था. They were looking for a yoga person. तो इन्होंने बोला that can you do it? और मैं उस वक्त I was 15 and a half and I really liked it and I was like ठीक है, money is coming, let's just do it. So they said okay, bring your yoga कपड़ा, and I didn't know लोग यहाँ तैरते भी शलवार कमीज में. मैं तो अपनी चीज़ें लेकर आ गई जो पहनते हैं. उसमें मैंने कुछ 70-80 एपिसोड कर I went back to Zimbabwe. नहीं, I went back, मैं वापस आई तो I got the call from the channel saying I will pay you double. I was like लाट टप किया था. Then I was like चलो इस तरह.
So now we have some photos of you, some shoots, some कुछ sets वगैरह की. So we'll ask you to rate them.
Okay.
Let's get a 1 to 10 from hot or not, ठीक है? It's like
Okay, मैं एक चीज़ बोलूँ. I was little bit fashion disaster because I was just a wild horsey running everywhere. Okay, now I believe थोड़ा groom हुई कर I'm normal. चलो, so I'll even rate myself 0. So don't judge me, huh?
Okay.
Don't you dare judge me.
The first image, I think this was one of your first shoots.
Oh, this was this was like so cute. मैंने फिलिस भी नहीं करवाए थे इस वक्त.
Okay.
कितने
चिल माहौल में फिलिस नहीं कराए थे.
नहीं, फिलिस बिल्कुल नहीं हुए थे. I think 8.
8, okay.
Okay, ये गिफ्ट था मेरे लिए. हाँ, this was a Valentine dress. 6.
Okay.
9.
9, okay.
फिलिस कराए हुए थे, सब कुछ अपना प्रॉपर हुआ.
फिलिस कराए थे बस.
हाँ, फिलिस कराए. I don't believe in Botox. I don't like it. No.
Okay. Very controversial shoot.
10.
10.
Merry Christmas. This was a mistake, okay? बहुत इस चीज़ के पीछे लोगों ने बोला इसने करा ये वो. This was a mistake. मैंने करा वारा कुछ नहीं था. बड़ा embarrass हुई थी. पहली दफ़ा रैंप में चली थी और यही भंड हो गया था. I think it's 7.
7, okay.
8.
Okay, so
Don't worry. They're showing me all nice pictures. Okay, by the way, मैंने एक boob tube skin color का पहना हुआ था, ठीक है? और this, I think 10.
10?
What a cute side picture.
Okay, what about this one?
कुकी ने shoot किया था ये. I love my body. I love myself. I think it's 10. अपने आप को रुचि रखी दो.
Okay, perfect. So, okay, this one is the
okay,
last one.
5.
तुम ही हो.
5.
अब
चले जाओ 5 ले लो.
Okay, so Mathira, अब हम लोग करेंगे क्या? We'll go to our rapid fire segment,
okay,
and I'll ask some questions. You have to make sure that the answers are fiery and rapid. ठीक है? Okay. One thing that you would like to change about your body?
एस जाती नहीं है, कम करने की कोशिश में वो जाती नहीं है.
Okay, in one word, response to the people who find you sexy.
Thank you.
In one word, response to people who find you vulgar.
Mwah.
Okay, so what's the craziest place you have made out in? Azwareman made out in a kitchen, somewhere in a restaurant kitchen mein.
Okay, he made out in a kitchen. I've also done that many times, but it wasn't crazy.
Okay, so what's the craziest place you have made out?
I think we were like scared, and you know, some family members were right there, and we were doing some shit right here, and like वो एक डर था क्योंकि दरवाजा भी खुला था, and any time तो वो crazy था. It was like अगर walk in हो जाता तो it would be like पकड़े गए, बेइज्जती हुई, सब कुछ हो गया.
Okay, one actress you wouldn't mind being a lesbian for?
You know, no.
No, you can answer that. You had this question earlier, and we have very interesting answers. Mehwish said Sanam Saeed.
Okay, चलो आगे बढ़ो.
आप बताएं तो सही.
Okay, I would want to be lesbian with.
Yeah. Meera.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. नहीं, I think. Oh God, who is
बहुत
that?
खूबसूरत लड़कियां हैं हमारी इंडस्ट्री में.
खूबसूरत है, बट वो सब समझेंगी कि इज्जत बढ़ा. ये क्या बात हुई?
Hypothetically हम कर रहे हैं.
I think Maya is very doll type.
Maya Lee.
She's like a Guriya. She's a perfect girl.
Okay. So one thing that these people
Maya,
have.
I'm sorry. You're perfect, but niyat saaf hai.
Okay, what's the funniest rumor you've heard about yourself?
Oh, there's really funny rumor when I was pregnant. People were linking me to the ex-president.
Oh.
And I was like, nahi, ye bacha unka bilkul nahi hai. And that was like really funny. It cracked me up big time. I was like, okay.
Okay, one rumor you would like to spread about yourself. ये खुद ही फैला देते हैं.
यार कौन सी rumor यार? क्या फैलाऊं अपने बारे में? दुनिया ने इतना कुछ फैला दिया, right? तो मैं क्या फैलाऊं? यार, what should I do? You help me out.
I know that Mathira is doing a big Bollywood film.
That's such a lame rumor.
I know, I was getting opinion.
You know, no. Mathira is.
You think Mahira Khan is lame?
Huh?
You think Mahira Khan is lame?
No, I will not say. But she's done a Bollywood thing, so.
That seems to be everybody's aspiration in Pakistan. Bollywood film करनी है तो that's.
I think a rumor would be that Mathira got, butt surgery. That's a lot of people say I had my butt implants. No, they're not at all.
You had no surgery done.
No, I have done surgery. Okay, ये फंसा रहा है मुझे. Okay, he's being me.
Because if you Google stuff, lots of images come out.
खैर मैं नकली नहीं हूँ, ठीक है? I'm not नकली, I'm असली.
बस हमने कुछ थोड़ा डॉक्टर के पास.
Fillers.
Okay, so this is an interesting one. So if you're stuck in a lift, a light चली गई है और lift में there's Veena, Malik and Meera, what happens for the next few minutes?
कुछ नहीं, मैं कोने में होंगी और ये कर रही होंगी और no, I think हम दोनों कोने में होंगे.
दोनों कौन?
मैं और वीना कोने में होंगे and चुप बैठे हुए होंगे और हम entertain हो रहे होंगे.
मीरा के antics.
अब पता नहीं, मैंने तो सिर्फ बोल दिया entertain हो रहे होंगे.
Okay, perfect. So Mathira, I have to ask you, when you came in the industry, ekdam se you were everywhere, Mathira, Gans, you were doing songs, film, then ads, all that. But now we suddenly feel that Mathira is kind of missing from the screen, be it television screen or be it film screen. So is this a conscious reason why you're doing that?
Yeah, actually, I fell in love, I got married, I fell pregnant. So, it all happened at once, and all of this takes time. And then pregnancy के बाद raise a child. Then मुझे वो एक momminess चाहिए था जो एक नहीं आता. तो इस वजह से now मेरा baby 3 years का हो गया है. So comeback होगा. And
what's next for you? Because Nagin आप कर रही हैं.
Nagin I'm doing, plus there's a song of mine that's coming.
Solo song?
Yeah, a solo song from the opposite,
India.
They're gonna launch it.
Dushman Desh se.
No, there's no Dushman Desh. There's no Dushman Desh. It's just a concept. वरना ज़मीन एक है.
So I think we'll end our show with our famous charades segment.
Okay.
So basically कुछ फिल्मों के नाम आप ले होंगे and you will have to act them out.
Okay.
And you have to make sure that I guess them. अभी तक जो running score है वो 5 है, which Noor and Ushna Shah have. So let's see if we're able to beat that with their acting skills. ठीक है? तो मुश्किल तो पास कर देंगे, ठीक है? मैं बोल सकते बोलने।
Okay. I.
तारे ज़मीन पर।
Yes. Yay.
हाथी, जीवन हाथी नहीं, हाथी मेरे साथी। Okay. Eight dawn. Okay. हम आपके हैं कौन? निशाना, टारगेट का कुछ है, शूट, फोर्स, दिशुम, अखियों से गोली
यार
गोली समथिंग,
no
आई थिंक सो पास
hunt शिकार
हीरोइन,
no
ग्लैमर, फैशन, परफ्यूम, खुशबू,
नहीं खिड़की खोलो बाहर क्या होता है
आसमान नहीं,
खिड़की खोलकर हम क्या देखते हैं पहले
सूरज,
क्या-
घास, आलू, पत्ते, ग्रीनरी,
खिड़की खोलते हैं हम आज का बहुत अच्छा है।
मौसम,
हाँ
अच्छा, हम तो मैं सोफा कर लो ये वाला,
काला
ब्लैक,
आई एम काला ये सर
I am okay. So you had 4 points. So
ओह
1 point से लग गया. So Timothyra, thank you so much for coming to the show.
Thank
I
you,
hope
thank you
आपको
so
मजा आया हो.
यस यस आई लव्ड इट बहुत इसने मुझे फंसाया इसने मुझे बहुत फंसाया अब मैं देखती हूँ मैं इस जंगल के कैसे निकलूंगी
Thank you so much for checking out the video. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो ज़रा सी पसंद आई है तो प्लीज़ लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा और सब्सक्राइब करें नीचे One Take को and stay tuned. Thank you. Hi, this is Mohamed Ali Munshi and do subscribe to One Take, which is your one-stop shop for everything that's hot and happening in the entertainment industry.